try to put it out of the way.
Just move it here a little bit. So
This is sort of the only place where he can
easily do it.
Yeah.
It's really handy.
Yeah. He likes to charge about halfway through the day because he doesn't like if the wheelchair gets down too low because then it doesn't go through gravel and or anything.
No, that's wise. My hearing aids sometimes should be charged halfway through the day.
Cameron makes sure everybody in our house charges everything that needs to be charged all the time.
Yeah.
School. You're thinking about school groups tomorrow. What'd you say? 600 people tomorrow?
Oh my gosh. It's a lot. I think 4 to 6.
You gonna get up early again? Earlier than today?
Well, we didn't have a choice.
6 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
Yeah, he's saying yeah.
Right.
I know him.
So,
Like that old whip.
6 o'clock in the morning.
you have a shot you want.
Snoring. Aren't you? He turns himself into a burrito. He wraps his blanket right around him and I come in and try to pull the top down to get him out and he just curls up tighter. I see a hand waving at me like, go away, Mom.
Yeah. That's the way I feel. I do wrap up too. Yeah, wrap up. But I have the scarf I put over my head too.
Oh, he does that too. He has a sleep mask that goes all the way around.
Oh yeah. That's good. There it is. See here next
It is 3:27 p.m. Thursday afternoon, May 9th, 2024, Rock Hill Furnace, Pennsylvania, Rock Hill Trolley Museum. This double truck Bernie car ran at the Johnstown Traction Company, built in 1925 by St. Louis Car Company. Has arrived from the other end of the line. Black Log Narrows. This was originally the East Broad Top. This is standard gauge. This was originally the East Broad Top 3-foot gauge Shade Gap branch. And now we have another Johnstown Traction Company car, double truck Bernie car arriving. That was number 355. This is number 311. And this was built in 1922.
Sorry about that.
And a little bit about the East Broad Top Railroad. Headquarters here in Rock Hill Furnace. It operated from 1871 to 1956, designated a National Historic Landmark in 1964. Tourist operations ceased in 2011 after a 9-year closure. In February 2020, it was announced that the railroad had been purchased by a non-profit foundation and regular train service returned in the summer of 2021. Population of Rock Hill Furnace here is 414. Next door, Obersonia, population is 499. Again, Rock Hill Furnace, Pennsylvania, Rock Hill Trolley Museum, East Broad Top Railroad. Thursday afternoon, May 9th, 2024, over and out.